In the early days of coal mining, workers brought a caged canary into the tunnels with them. If the air turned toxic, the canary would react first, and that served as an early warning that something unseen was going wrong. The same idea kind of applies in your workplace. Your frontline team is your early warning system. Their words, frustrations, and even their silence tell you what's really happening in your culture. Whether your lean efforts are built on respect for people, or if they're just lip service. I've heard these canaries in every industry. They're coming for our jobs. What will I be blamed for this time? And another meeting that won't change anything. Each of these isn't resistance. It's a signal that something in your system is suffocating the people you depend on to make improvement real. Lean without respect for people isn't lean at all. So let's listen to what your canaries might be saying and what you can do as a lean leader to make sure you never hear these in your own organization.
They're coming for our jobs.
When people associate lean with layoffs, it's not resistance, it's fear. And that fear exists because they've been taught by you that improvement means elimination. So what can you do? As a lean leader, reinforce that lean is about removing waste, not workers. Use Kaizen events to make the work easier and safer, not smaller or cheaper. Be transparent. If productivity improves, reinvest that capacity into growth, training, or innovation. Celebrate stability, not cuts. If improvement feels like a threat, trust will die. And once trust dies, so does continuous improvement.
What will I be blamed for this time?
You can't build a culture of continuous improvement on fear and finger pointing. If people brace for blame, they'll stop signaling problems altogether. So, as a lean leader, implement an Andon or escalation system where anyone can call out a problem safely. Teach Jidoka, the principle of stopping the process when an abnormality occurs. And thank people for pulling the cord. Treat every error as a systemic issue, not a personal failure. Celebrate finding problems because now they can be eliminated. If problems are punished, they get hidden. But if they're celebrated, they get solved.
Another meeting that won't change anything.
When meetings turn into talk instead of action, people see through it. Lip service is not leadership. So, as a lean leader, anchor your meetings in PDCA. Plan, do, check, act. Use Obeya or Gemba walks to discuss real problems where the work happens. Close every meeting with a clear owner, deadline, and a next step. And back your frontline leaders with the resources and authority to act. Without follow-through, even the best ideas become noise.
Someone upstairs just read a new book.
It's not cynicism. It's a symptom of directionless leadership. When new programs seemingly fall from the sky, people don't see vision. They see disconnection. As a lean leader, practice Hoshin Kanri. Align strategy from the top floor to the shop floor. Explain the why before the what. Create a clear, true north that ties every initiative to purpose and shared goals, and keep your improvement priorities consistent long enough to matter. When purpose is shared, strategy becomes connection, not confusion.
Whose slack will I be asked to pick up this time?
When lean turns into work harder, faster, and with less, it's no longer improvement. It's abuse of the concept. As a lean leader, use standardized work and tact time. to balance workloads, not overload them. Apply Kaizen to reduce physical and cognitive strain, and involve workers in redesigning their own processes to make the job easier, not heavier. Ask, did this change make the work safer, smoother, or simpler? Lean should eliminate struggle, not pile it on.
More charts, less help.
If you collect data but never act on it, you're not improving, you're auditing. And people hate wasting time on metrics that go nowhere. As a lean leader, apply visual management to make data meaningful and actionable. Focus on the voice of the customer, VOC, both internal and external. Simplify your measurement system so teams can see results in real time, and always close the loop. Show how data triggered action and led to improvement. Data should guide decisions, not decorate your walls.
Hell, we've been saying that for years.
The people closest to the work see the problems first, and the most clearly. When they're ignored, you don't just lose input, you lose ownership. As a lean leader, practice Gemba daily. Go see, ask why, and show respect. Create a suggestion system that actually feeds into PDCA cycles. Recognize and reward ideas implemented by your team. Make sure people see visible results from their input. If you ask and never act, your credibility disappears.
New pretty banners on the wall, same problems.
Culture isn't built with posters or slogans. When messaging changes, but behavior doesn't, it's just branding. As a lean leader, live your values. Use visual management to drive accountability, not appearances. Reinforce the behaviors you want by modeling them daily yourself. Be consistent. Authenticity is what sustains culture, not marketing. Lip service is easy. Follow through is leadership.
I guess we're the experiment again.
When people are treated like subjects instead of partners, you've lost the point of lean entirely. Measuring, timing, filming, and judging people without including them doesn't show respect, it strips it away. That is not lean, it's dehumanizing. As a lean leader, apply respect for people in every experiment. Co-design improvement trials with your team, including your operators. Don't impose them. Use Kaizen and PDCA cycles collaboratively. Always explain the purpose and benefit before collecting data. Lean is about developing people through the process, not using people for it. Every one of these statements is a canary in your culture. They're early warnings, signs that your systems might be failing the people who keep them alive. Lean without respect for people isn't sustainable, it's theater. So, listen to your canaries, learn from what they're telling you, and lead differently. If this resonated, share it with another leader who might need to hear it. And if you'd like to talk about building a lean culture that truly values people, you can always reach me at LinkedIn. If this message made you think, then you're exactly the type of person I want to talk to. One of my favorite things about this work is meeting new, like-minded individuals who share a passion for human-centered process improvement. People who believe that respect for people isn't a slogan, it's the foundation for lasting change. If you'd like to explore ideas, ask questions, collaborate, or simply talk about how I might be able to help you and your team strengthen your lean culture, I would love to connect. You can schedule a free 30-minute no-obligation virtual call with me using the link below. No sales pitch, no pressure, just a genuine conversation about improvement, leadership, and the systems we build for people. If you're passionate about human-centered process improvement, you'll probably find this next video here helpful too. And if you'd like to keep exploring what lean leadership really looks like in practice, don't forget to subscribe.